Sprouts are a powerhouse of nutrition that can provide numerous benefits when incorporated into your breakfast routine. These tiny young plants are packed with essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that can help boost your overall health and well-being. One of the key benefits of including sprouts in your breakfast is their high nutrient content. Sprouts are rich in vitamins A, C, and K, as well as minerals like iron, potassium, and magnesium. These nutrients are essential for maintaining a healthy immune system, promoting good digestion, and supporting overall bodily functions. By starting your day with a serving of sprouts, you can ensure that you are getting a good dose of these vital nutrients right from the get-go. In addition to their nutrient content, sprouts are also a great source of antioxidants. Antioxidants are compounds that help protect your cells from damage caused by free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can lead to inflammation and chronic diseases. By consuming sprouts at breakfast, you can help reduce oxidative stress in your body and lower your risk of developing conditions like heart disease, cancer, and diabetes. Another benefit of sprouts is their high fiber content. Fiber is essential for maintaining a healthy digestive system and promoting regular bowel movements. By including sprouts in your breakfast, you can help prevent constipation, bloating, and other digestive issues. Fiber also helps you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management and prevent overeating throughout the day. Sprouts are also a great source of plant-based protein. Protein is essential for building and repairing tissues, supporting muscle growth, and maintaining a healthy metabolism. By adding sprouts to your breakfast, you can increase your protein intake and ensure that you are getting a good balance of macronutrients to fuel your body and keep you energized throughout the day. Moreover, sprouts are low in calories and fat, making them a great option for those looking to maintain or lose weight. By incorporating sprouts into your breakfast, you can enjoy a nutritious and filling meal without worrying about consuming excess calories or unhealthy fats. This can help you stay on track with your weight loss goals and make healthier choices throughout the day. Sprouts are also easy to incorporate into your breakfast routine. You can add them to smoothies, salads, omelets, or sandwiches for a boost of flavor and nutrition. Sprouts are versatile and can be paired with a variety of other ingredients to create delicious and satisfying meals that will keep you coming back for more. In conclusion, sprouts are a nutrient-dense food that can provide numerous benefits when included in your breakfast. From their high nutrient content to their antioxidant properties, sprouts offer a wide range of health benefits that can help support your overall well-being. By making sprouts a regular part of your morning routine, you can start your day off on the right foot and set yourself up for success in achieving your health and wellness goals. So why not give sprouts a try at breakfast and see how they can help you feel your best every day?